In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to delete an Amazon AWS account. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to aws.amazon.com and then log into the specific account that you want to delete. From here, it should bring something like this. And now from here, you'll need to go over to the right hand corner where you'll see your name or username up here. From here, you'll simply need to click on it like so. And once from here, you'll need to scroll down until you be able to see the account section. Once from here, you'll simply need to click on that, and once from here, it should bring something like this where you can see an overview of your specific account. Once from here, you'll simply need to go over to the close account right here in the right hand corner, and once you click on that, you'll be able to see your account closure guidance and confirm account enclosure. Once from here, you'll simply need to enter in your account ID that you can see right here that you can just copy to confirm like so. And from here, you'll simply need to click Close Account. Once you've done that, it will automatically sign you out of Amazon AWS, and then from here, you'll have successfully deleted or closed your AWS account. So that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!